welcome back to my channel. My name is Yira. I know you guys missed me because it was like 2 weeks ago that I filmed, but I'm back with more holiday looks. You guys, this is a super easy but dramatic boom eyeshadow look for Christmas, New Year's, date night, honestly anything you want it to be. This look, I got you, baby girl. I did get asked on TikTok to create like a burgundy eyeshadow look, and that is what inspired this look. It's so beautiful that I had to film it for YouTube as well. So if you guys see this on my TikTok, leave some love there. But if you see this on YouTube, make sure you guys leave some love here as well by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel, because it really does truly help me grow my channel and reach more people. So if you want to learn how to create this, a beautiful burgundy sparkly look, then just keep watching. I'm actually excited for this look. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette, you guys. If you guys saw any of my previous videos, I did use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, but the Volume 2, I'm obsessed with this one, especially with these reds and pinks. You guys, like this section from here to here, bitch, let me tell you, these colors are everything. They're so pigmented. I believe they still sell this one. So you guys, if you don't have your hands on this, I definitely recommend this palette. I haven't gone to Ulta to buy my primer. You guys know how I told you guys that I need to buy primer. Well, I still haven't done it, so I'm going to use concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm so excited to be filming again. I wasn't able to film last week and I believe the week before, I don't remember, but I wasn't able to film because my baby got sick, you guys, and when she gets sick, I become like a full-time mama bear nurse. Like, I don't leave her side, I just cuddle, keep her company, just try to like comfort her as much as she can, let her rest, just let her do what she needs to do to get better. So whenever she is sick, I just pretty much like don't do anything during the day besides be with her. I'm gonna start off by using, let's see, what are we gonna use? We're gonna use Grateful because the bitch is grateful today. I'm grateful for health today, so I'm gonna use this color as a transition color. I'm using this big fluffy brush. I'm actually gonna tap some off because that was a lot of product. We're just gonna go back and forth on our crease area. Once it's blended out on the crease, what I'm gonna do is drag this out on the corner, like kind of upward towards the eyebrow. Don't worry if it gets messy. You guys know that messy is my middle name. It's okay for eyeshadows to get messy because you can always clean them up. That's part of the reason I don't do my foundation first, because I don't want to like clean anything up and then mess up my foundation, contour, blush, concealer, like everything that I have on my face. Next, I'm going to use the shade Next. I'm also switching brushes. This one is an M514 by Morphe, and I'm going to just apply that right on the crease. I'm not going to take it as high as I did with the other one, so I'm just going to open my eyes a little bit. That way it's more on the like lid and crease area versus the actual eyebrow. If you guys don't follow my family channel, you guys totally should, because I post 2 vlogs a week on there. You guys can keep up with our personal life and like behind the scenes of everything that we do. Jazz ended up going to the ER, and then we ended up going to her normal doctors a couple of days later, and she had x-rays, and turns out she had bronchitis, which they ended up giving us an inhaler, and it helped kind of clear everything up, and she had like a fever for a few days. But, you know, she basically was catching all the colds from school, which sucks. You know, like, I've received messages from you guys. Thank you for, you know, helping me out a little, because I was really, like, debating if I should, like, take her out of preschool just because she just started. And I feel like she's been sick twice already. And she just started, like, in October 25th. October 25th was her first day. And she's already missed 2 weeks of school. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart, you guys. I hate seeing my baby sick. I hate seeing my baby upset, and I hate seeing her sick, and I just don't know what to do to prevent her from getting sick. So anyways, I'm going back and forth, windshield motion and circular motion. I like to do circular motion kind of on the outer edges, and then I do windshield motion right through here, but on the outer is circular. I'm going to grab more of that color, but I'm going to press that in right on the crease area. Do the same thing as far as winging it out through here. So for this next part, we're actually going to be using a red lipstick. And the reason I'm going to use a red lipstick is because I really, really want this eyeshadow to be pigmented. I could use concealer or primer, but I feel like I get more of that deeper red burgundy color that I want if I use a little bit of lipstick. I found this red liquid lipstick, doesn't matter what kind you have, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand. Si sale, this one no quiere salir. Do you guys want to know what I love about Jasmine's school though? That I have access to the cameras in her classroom, so I'm able to see her at any time. And right now it's time for me to check on my baby girl. I'm switching brushes to a very like fine tip, skinny small brush. What I'm going to do is outline kind of like the shape that I want and wing it out at the very end. This is kind of hard for me. It's always been a little hard for me to do these kind of eyeshadow looks. I need my mirror, girlfriend. Concentrate. And then I'm just gonna fill this in. Keep in mind that you probably will have red stain or pink stain on your eyelid after you take off your makeup, but it should go away after a day or two. Next, I'm gonna go in with Crazy. This shade is such a beautiful like burgundy color. I'm gonna see how much pigment I can get from the liquid lipstick and the eyeshadow, and if I feel like it's not enough, then I'm gonna apply a little bit of black. These eyeshadows do have quite a bit of fallout, but honestly it's because reds are so hard to work with. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what I wanted. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this on everywhere. Be very, very gentle though, because you don't want to get that above that little crease area that we did. I have to poop because I drank some coffee, and even though it's decaf, I still need to use the bathroom. Did you guys know that even though it's decaf coffee, it still has a tiny bit of caffeine? So caffeine goes through me like no other. I'm gonna grab just a little bit of black and apply that closer to the lash line. And then I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy color and apply that over. Just because I feel like it's a little splotchy almost. And I want it to be the same color. There's quite a bit of fallout, you guys, but that's normal with these eyeshadows. But your girl gotta use the bathroom, so I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Mama feels better now. So I'm gonna grab a wipey and we're gonna clean everything off underneath. You guys are gonna see, look, clean wipey. And then my eyes all red. Oh. I'm telling you, if you create this eyeshadow look or if you have this palette, do your foundation afterwards. Girl, it's not worth it. Look at this. I would have rubbed all of this off. We're going to define this little line even more. Like, make it sharp, okay? Yes, queen. Next, I'm going to be using this liquid glitter. I mentioned them in my other ones. I'll link them down below. They are from Amazon. You can use either gold. I think this would look beautiful with like a gold glitter. I have like silver jewelry on, so I'm just gonna stick with this one, and we're gonna outline the line like this and like this. Like, we're just gonna outline this little shape that we have. Actually, before I apply the glitter down here, maybe I'll put a poquito concealer just because I know I really won't be able to get into this area once I apply the glitter. So let's just apply a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna do this eye in my foundation. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with lashes. This eye's done, foundation is done, and we're gonna finish off the eyeshadow look. If you guys want like an updated foundation routine, let me know because it's been a minute since I've done one. I don't feel like I've changed much. That's why I don't really show you guys like the actual foundation part, because I have done them in previous videos, but I can always create a new foundation routine video for you guys. I'm going to apply a little bit of black eyeliner on my waterline. I'm just using a gel eyeliner. This is from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna use a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with black and I'm gonna go super tight on the waterline, and then we're gonna use the burgundy color right over it. Now I'm gonna grab this like little blending pointer brush. This one is the Morphe M431, and with that burgundy color we're just gonna start blending and smoking out the bottom. You guys, so we are doing like a super late Friendsgiving / Christmas party this weekend, and I'm so excited. It's just gonna be our friends, and I invited my parents because my parents love my friends, and vice versa. My friends love my parents, so I invited them too, and my brother. I'm gonna try to vlog that for you guys. But it's so hard to vlog. Like when I'm with my family or my friends, I honestly lose my phone. Like I'm just in the moment with everybody, enjoying some like family, friend time. Like our friends are like family to us. So it's really fun anytime we get together with them. We're also doing like a dirty secret Santa between all the girls except my mom, because that's gonna be weird. So I'm gonna vlog. I'm not gonna vlog the actual presents because that would be weird. But I'm gonna vlog everybody's reaction. And we're gonna do it in my room away from the guys, just cause like, you know, we don't want it to be weird for them. And honestly, I'm so like shy that I'm like, oh, no, thank you. And especially now that I invited my dad too, I'm like, girl. I'm also gonna do like a TikTok video on what time everybody actually arrives and like the food everybody brings, because it's supposed to be like potluck style. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. This one is it's from Draw. It's the Lash Up Rising. It's a waterproof. It does come with like a boosting primer mascara, which actually, let's try that. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this one first. This is just gonna prime our eyelids. And this is just gonna prime our This is just gonna prime our lower lash. This is just gonna prime our lower lashes to make them hopefully appear bigger. Not bigger, longer. Look at this eyeshadow, you guys. It's so pretty. So now let's do lips. I kind of want to do nude, you know, because I have a lot going on in the eyes. I'm going to use this brown pencil, and it is by Pixie. Next, I'm going to use True Story by Morphe. Then I just mix in the pencil with the liquid lipstick with my finger. I really need to go to Ulta because I am running super low on my setting spray. And ta-da! It's my birthday! It's not my birthday. My birthday's August 20th. But here is the final result. What do you guys think? I am obsessed. This look is perfect for the holidays. It's such a dramatic eyeshadow look, but it's so easy to create, and it really just gives you that boom effect, you know, like, don't talk to me. I'm that bitch right now, okay? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you did try this look out, make sure you tag me so I can see it at Yadi Rose. You guys, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. If you guys like this look, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys next time.